Inkqubo yokuzama ukusondeza ubuxhaka-xhaka bale mihla kaloku la mathuba okujongana ngqo ne-4IR anqabile ingakumbi kumaphondo asemaphandleni. Ngoku la maphondo asondezwa kulo mathuba.
Our strategy as Software AG when it comes to 4IR is to really take 4IR skills and expose communities in remote parts of our country. For example, the first innovation lab that we launched was in a township of Kato Manor in KZN, and then this is another one that we're launching here in the Eastern Cape. We find that in the cities already there are a lot of resources for communities that are based around the cities. So we make sure that we go in places where most organizations do not go.
Abafundi notishala balibamba ngazo zozibini elithuba.
Sizokwazi ukuphumelela kunezinye izikolo apha eQueenstown eKomani ngokutsho. Sizokwazi ufunda i-coding kwi-computers esizinikwe apha kwicala lethu lelab. Kwaye apha sizofunda ukwenza i-3D.
Izasinceda kakhulu nakwi-careers zethu ezininzi. Let's say for example umuntu owenza i-life sciences and ufuna ukwenza survey maybe ye-animals maybe. Yeah, so ungakwazi ukhawunta i-populations ngayo nge-drones zakho.
I think what makes this classroom so different is the tangible experience of those things. You know, for kids to design something and to see a 3D printer printed, or to fly a drone, you know, that visual experience from designing something to actually seeing it happening in front of your eyes. I think that's what's radical about it, and I think that's what opens the mind and the interest in the students.
Eliphulo liyi-21st Century Science and Technology Center liziswe zingcali kwezemfundo ye-STEM ngobambiswano neSakikamva Foundation. Ndinyangafunani weendaba ze-SABC kuKomani kwiphondo leMpuma Koloni.